Moin Leute and hello friends of rail. So now, this video is for me and all who will see it. My last update, I show you my class 77. So now, a little bit story about this loco. The class 77 is a follower of the class 66. This is a European name. The real name is an EMD JT42CWRM. This model is built by EMD and has a 710 prime mover in, but not 16 cylinder, 12 cylinders. The 710 GEB T2. This 12 cylinder sounds amazing. So now, you know I am from Germany, and as a US model railroader from Germany, in Z-scale, I have some German models, steams and diesel, but the good thing for a global interesting model railroader like me is the last 10 or 20 years in Germany with the new private and short lines. The new private short lines railroad companies are great because they buy cheaper stuff from other lands, like the Blue Tiger or this logo on this video. So we have some different logos like the German stuff. It's so amazing. This is a Mehano version. The 77 came out from two manufacturers, from Mehano and the ESU. The 66, class 66 came out from Mehano, ESU and Helian. Now the Mehano version is a little bit cheaper. This is the newest release with the short box and DCC ready version. I put in an ESU LokSound 4.4. The good thing is the price of this model. This model costs as MSL 197 euros. I paid the same but with sound, because the decoder cost me 88 euros and the rest I paid on eBay. I buy this model from my buddy Carsten. Now the 710 prime mover here in this model with 12 cylinders sounds handsome. I like it. Yeah! The Mehano version runs very smooth and quiet and have nice details. But the ESU version is a full metal model. Again, runs quiet and smooth. Good Mehano stuff. Short forward. Short info in the back. In the back you see the Vossloh Euro 4000. The Vossloh Euro 4000 sorry, is the answer of the Class 77 on the European market. This is a European answer of the US Class 77. But this Vossloh Euro 4000 is also an American model built by American loco built by EMD. Now has also the 710 prime mover, but not in 12 cylinders. Here, this model has the 16 cylinders. The correctly prime mover name I don't know yet, but this is the answer, the European answer. This model first came out in 2006. And this model is in beast, much heavier, much bigger, and the model is also much louder. Come in some next videos. But this Mehano sounds great, I like it. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it.